Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the Windows update error is coming across an issue that says we could not connect to the update service. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go ahead and open up the start menu and type in troubleshoot. Best match should come back with troubleshoot settings, so go ahead and just left click on that. You want to select additional troubleshooters on the right panel, and then you want to go ahead and select Windows Update, resolve problems to prevent you from updating Windows, and select Run the Troubleshooter. Okay, so once that's done, just close out of here, restart your computer, check for updates, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.